Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare Trae, Cursor, and Windsurf. Trae, Cursor, and Windsurf are three modern coding tools, but they cater to slightly different needs. Trae is built for developers who want a lightweight and distraction-free coding environment. It focuses on speed, minimalism, and efficiency, with features like quick navigation, clean UI, and workflow automation to reduce repetitive tasks. It's great for those who prefer a streamlined setup without too many extra layers. Cursor takes things further by deeply integrating AI into the coding process. It can generate code snippets, explain complex functions, assist with debugging, and even help refactor code in real time. This makes it especially useful for developers who want AI-powered support and faster problem solving without leaving the editor. Windsurf, meanwhile, combines AI assistance with strong collaboration tools. It's designed for team-based projects where multiple developers can share progress, review code together, and maintaining clear communication directly inside the development environment. It's particularly handy for remote teams or open-source contributors who rely on constant coordination. In short, Trae shines for minimalism and speed. Cursor stands out for its advanced AI coding help, and Windsurf excels in collaborative, team-focused development. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.